Imagine turning your digital memories into tangible keepsakes. In under 1 minute, curious? Stick around. Hey everyone, this is Sheetwise, and today we are diving into a gadget that's bridging the gap between our smartphones and the physical world, the Kodak Mini 2 Retro. And just so you know, this isn't a sponsored review. I bought this little guy by myself, so you're getting my unfiltered thoughts. Confession time. I've accumulated over 20,000 photos since becoming a husband and a dad. Can anyone else relate? Despite having all these memories at my fingertips, something feels missing. Do you ever scroll through your endless photos and wish you could just hold onto a moment? Literally? That's exactly why I started searching for a solution to bring my favorite moments out of the cloud into my hands. I wanted something portable, so this is like an iPhone. That's fine. And it should be able to produce okay photos. I don't need high quality, and I understand it's not a high quality printer. Yeah, but it was important for me that the prints last long. So Kodak wrote on his internet site, we are talking about 100 years. That's long enough for me. Instant cameras are cool, but why carry another device when your smartphone camera makes already good photos? So I just need something to print out the photos from my iPhone. Then I found the Kodak Mini 2 Retro on Amazon, and it had very good reviews. So I bought it. So let's see. This is a pretty small box. Okay, just open it. Okay. Here is the printer. It's small. And 2 packs of cartridges, 30 sheets in it. So let's see. That are 10 sheets. So you have 3 packs with each 10 sheets in it. That's okay. Let's see. The printer. I already opened it. So this is the printer. And I recommend take the yellow color. It's beautiful. I love it. Yeah, it's a little bit heavier than the iPhone, but it's okay. Here is the user guide. We don't look in user guides. And Kodak. What is this? Micro USB. I hate it. I really hate it. Why micro USB? It's terrible. Now I need 1 cable for 1 printer. USB-C. Please use USB-C. Always. Terrible decision. But okay, let's see. And a new cartridge. That's it. 10 new pictures. And here is the start button. And now it's ready to go. Setting it up is super easy. Just download the app and press the on button, and you can connect it via Bluetooth. Okay, you wait and then you can connect it via Bluetooth. Good. Now we choose a photo and press print. So this prints in 4-pass technology. That means your photos are printed in layers. So different colors. First of all, the red, then magenta, and now cyan. Oh, that's me. So let's see. Oh, completed. Thank you. So, how's the quality? I think it's pretty good, to be honest. Yeah, the print quality is impressive. It's okay. It's better than the old Polaroid pictures. So I really like it. It's not completely the same picture, but a few less wrinkles. It's not that bad. And it's smudge proof and water resistant. Perfect for my bullet journal or to share with friends without worrying about it. Now let's make this photo. Oh, that's beautiful. Oh man, I'm a model. I'm a real model. So now my friends again. I just test the battery, and this is the 5th photo, and I'm at 60% battery. So I think we are talking about, let's see, 10 to 12 photos with one battery. That's okay. Yeah. It's okay because if you print much more in a row, the printer will say, oh, I'm too hot, I cannot print anymore. So 10 pictures will be okay. The problem is after the 10 or 12 or 15 pictures, you have to load with this micro USB cable. I don't forget that, Kodak. That's trash. So yeah, the battery, it might be an issue if you go to a party and want to make a row of photos. So you need a power bank or something like that. But the photos are that expensive that you don't want to make that many prints. So every beautiful photo is like 30 cents. It's pretty expensive for such a small photo. So time for the roundup. Here are the pros. Compact and lightweight. Yeah, it's super easy to carry around. It fits in every bag. Okay. The prints, the photos are good quality. It's pretty fine. I like the colors. It's nice. It's okay, really. And now the app. Okay, the app is so small. It's really easy. It's user friendly. In the end, I mostly use one button, the print button. Nothing else. I don't edit the photos in this app because the photos I print are not high quality photos. This is the equivalent from the Polaroid in the 80s. Okay, and you make a photo, you print it, you put it in your bullet journal, or you give it to your friend or something. And that is how you have to think about this printer. It's a casual photo. Yeah, it's nice. So the app is completely okay. It's enough. And I don't want more. I don't want anything complicated. I just want to print one stupid photo. But when I decide to print a photo for 30 cents, I want that it's long lasting. I cannot check that. I don't have the ability to check that, but I believe Kodak, they said it's like 100 years, so my eternal life. That's okay. So completely fine. Now come to the cons. The print speed. Nearly 1 minute. That's a long time. If you're standing with your daughter or your nieces in the zoo and they ask for a photo and you're standing there. It's a long time. It's okay. 30 cents for a photo. It's not cheap. It's reasonable, I think, because there are not so much alternatives. I think it's okay. Come on, Kodak. Okay? Okay. Do these cons break the deal? Not for me, but it's something to consider. So maybe you think about if this printer is something for you. So what's the conclusion? The Kodak Mini 2 Retro is a charming little device that does exactly what I need. It prints fine, has the perfect size for my bullet journal, Most importantly, it reminded me how special it is to hold physical photos. I'd give it a solid 8.5 out of 10. It's not perfect, but its benefits outweigh the flaws for me. I just like it, really. Since I got it, I made a few photos, I glue it in my bullet journal. It's really nice to have them, yeah? So I like it. If you like it, I have a few links, so if you buy it through the links, I get a few cents. Would you consider get one? Let me know in the comments if you have some portable solution for printing photos. Yeah, thank you. See you next time.